Hello YouTube, Sam here from youtube.com/onlivegamer for the new Boston. And in this tutorial we're going to be taking a look at comparing strings. So let's go ahead and get started. We're going to come down here under our main sub and we're going to create a couple variables. We're going to start off by creating a string. So we'll just call it user string as string and we'll set it equal to nothing, and then we'll declare another string, computer string as string, and we'll set that one equal to onlivegamer. So now what we're going to do is we're going to prompt the user to enter in a string. So console.writeLine, please enter a string. So then we're just going to get what they type in. So now that we have what they typed in, we're going to use the string.compare function. So we're going to console.writeLine, and we're just going to type string.compare, and we're going to compare user string to computer string. So that is our two arguments for our string.compare. The first one is the string that we're going to compare to the first string. So here, if you don't understand what that means, I'll go ahead and show you. So then we'll do console.readLine. So now if we run this, you can see that if I type onlivegamer and then add an S, it's going to give me the value of 1 because it is comparing this string to the second string. Now if we replace these and put it backwards, we're going to get the value of -1. You can see right there that it gives us -1 because instead of comparing the string that they gave us to the first string, we're comparing the first string to the string that they gave us. So that might be a little confusing, but you can mess around with that if you want. And now we can also make this case insensitive. So even if they make the whole thing in capital letters, comparing it to this right here is going to give us a value of 0. So I'll show you how to do this. We're just going to type user string, and we're going to compare that to computer string, and then for our third argument, it's got ignore case as boolean right here, and we're just going to type true. So now they can type it anywhere they want. They can type it all caps, all lowercase. They can switch off between caps and lowercase, whatever they want to do, and it'll still give us a correct value. So if I type it like this, it's going to give us a value of 0 because it compares it case insensitive, and it just checks to see if these are the same as onlivegamer. So that was a pretty simple tutorial. You can use this for a bunch of different things in your programs. Go ahead and play around with it, get used to it, and once you're done with that, go ahead and move on to the next tutorial.